Hey, Steve here, checking in. Over here checking on my boat. Here's my crate or my storage shelvings here. Anyways, so here's my tracker. It's Pro Team 175 TXW. Bass tracker. Here's the wheels. Here's my chairs inside the cockpit. Trim, everything good over there. There's a light hole, windshield, storage containers, rods go in there, trolling motor, everything's good. Here's my kayak here. Need to get up here? Yeah, I need to get it up to there. So here we go. Let's go. Let's go get it. Here we go.
Different breed, can't fake what's real. Got calloused hands and nerves of steel. Too late to break, too old to please. We carry our pain so no one sees. We don't plead, don't grovel or breed. Can't fake what's real. Got calloused hands and nerves of steel. Too late to break, too old to please. We carry our pain so no one sees. We don't plead, don't grovel or beg. I'm a highway outlaw, stealing smoke, clutching gears till the morning broke. Run my miles where the wild ones roam. The blacktop's fire, but it feels like home. Outlaw blood in my veins. I'm a highway outlaw, stealing smoke, clutching gears till the morning broke. Run my miles where the wild ones roam. The blacktop's fire, but it feels like home. Outlaw blood in my veins.
What's up? 535. Kind of look the same. Going nowhere. Yeah, that looks pretty cool.